The MUBVIEW Doorbell Camera Wireless is designed for users who want reliable front door security without monthly fees or complicated setups. The no-subscription model is one of its strongest advantages, allowing you to access core features without worrying about ongoing costs. This makes it an appealing option for homeowners and renters who want smart security that stays affordable long-term. Video quality is crisp and clear thanks to 1080 HD resolution, delivering detailed footage of visitors, deliveries, and activity around your door. Faces, packages, and movements are easy to recognize both during the day and at night, helping you stay aware of what's happening outside your home. The peer human motion detection reduces false alerts by focusing on real human movement instead of random motion like passing cars or tree shadows. Motion zone customization adds another layer of control, letting you define exactly where the camera should monitor. By focusing on key areas such as your doorstep or entry path, notifications become more relevant and less intrusive. Alerts are sent quickly to your phone, giving you real-time awareness whether you are at home or away. The included wireless chime ensures you never miss a visitor, even if your phone is not nearby. It's loud, clear, and easy to place anywhere in your home. Two-way audio allows you to communicate directly with visitors, delivery drivers, or unexpected guests, adding convenience and security. A unique voice changer feature enhances privacy by letting you disguise your voice when speaking through the doorbell, which is especially useful for families or individuals who prefer an extra layer of protection. Overall, the MUBVIEW Doorbell Camera Wireless delivers a strong balance of video quality, smart detection, privacy features, and cost savings. With no subscription fees, customizable motion zones, and practical extras like a voice changer and indoor chime, it stands out as one of the best budget-friendly wireless video doorbell options for modern home security.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.